We're going to see a done programming action objects. See syllabus. I will explain the syllabus number Python. Programming languages for so we before we on CSE express development. So there is a heavy competition with Java, both the Java and Python are very object-oriented programming language. So the difference between Java and Python is Python has many different libraries and the area of code is very minimum when compared to Java. So Python is an open source, dynamically typed, high-level compiled and interpreted, garbage collected and purely object-oriented programming language. The main features of Python are easy to use. So the syntax is very easy and clear to read and making it an ideal language for both beginners and experienced programmers. The data type of the variables are determined only during the runtime. So it is called as dynamically typed. So there is no need of declaring the variable while declaring there is no step of variable declaration. So based on utilization of the variable, only the data type of the variable will be designed. So yeah, intercasting of variables or a conversion of a variable type conversion is dynamically done based upon the program running time. So it's a human readable code. Garbage collector. So memory allocation and reallocations are automatically managed. It is not present because it's upon the programmer to manage the memory. So it's a purely object-oriented cross-platform compatibility. Python can be easily installed on Windows, Mac OS, or any other various data operating systems. So it allows developers to create software that runs across different operating systems. Python has many inbuilt standard libraries, which helps to use modules and functions for various tasks ranging from web development and data manipulation to machine learning and network. So Python is an open source cross-free programming language. This programming model, however, Python code is working in runtime. So Python code is written and it will be saved .py extension. The compiler will compile and the bytecode transformation is with an extension .pyc, which is given to the Python virtual machine. There are two types for Python, two modes for Python interpreter. One is interactive mode, next one is script mode. So in interactive mode, there is no need to write the code in a script file. Instead, directly execute the code like a Python prompt. So like in the example, we can give the type the code in the private prompt message. Going for the script mode, the programmer will write the code and Python code with the extension of .py and the interpreter will execute the contents of the file. To execute the script by the interpreter, we have to tell the interpreter the name of the file. The variables. So, for variable declaration by the general meaning of a variable is to store a data value. So the type of the variable data is decided based on runtime during the assigning of values by the program. So memory allocation will be done once the variable is assigned using the assignment operator equal to. Naming rules. As it is naming rules applicable to all programming language, the variable name should start with an underscore or an alphabet, and the rest will have a combination of letters, digits, and underscores. Variable names is also case sensitive. Thank you.